My people, this one na sound warning by from Aliko Dangote son-in-law. His name na Jamil. And this one na for people wey wan marry. This one, all those people wey wan marry. This particular message na for people wey wan marry. You know wetin him talk? Him talk say if you no get shishi to marry, if you no get money to marry, no send am message because he no go support your decision. Na so him talk. In him own words, he talk say marriage goes beyond the wedding. He talk say if you cannot provide the basics after the wedding, then marriage is not for you. Marriage is not for you. If you cannot, you no fit provide food, daily bread. You no fit even pay transfer for your pikin to go school. You no fit even change school uniform. All these small things wey dey happen. You no fit buy pampers. You no fit buy custard. You no fit buy cereal. All these small things. You yourself no dey chop. If you no fit do this thing, no marry. And him come talk say, don't be a liability to yourself and others. Bikonu. This one not be Igbo boy yo. Him guys put the bikonu because this one touch am. I sure say him don experience first hand, second hand, third hand of Beggars Association of Nigeria married community. Yes, I sure say him don see am. Before him go come out right talk this thing, him don see the other part of people wey don marry. Marriage na by force. You no get money, you still wan marry. I don dey hammer this thing give even some people wan know. But e be like say I like to dey talk, I like to marry. Abi now person wey get money, person wey abi una dey hear the Dangote dey around the name. Person wey get money don open mouth talk am. Some people marry finish, after marriage dem turn beggars. After marriage you turn beggars. Love is important oh, but love is not enough. Love is blind oh, but na bills go open your eye. Yes, bills oh, marriage bills na the thing wey go open your eye. The one wey dey vex me na all those people wey go come say, hello bro. Hello bro what? Because he wan beg. God. Hello bro, please, my wife just put to bed. My wife she just born. You fit find me the leanest. Which leanest? He give her money. Him wey never marry, he no get sense. Him wey never marry, no say time never reach. Him wey never marry, no say money no dey. You use even the marriage wey you do. You use your last card do wedding. Still beg to throw heavy wedding for people. Who you want impress? Who you want impress? As for me, I no believe in big marriage. After marriage, you go come dey suffer. They suffer. My wife just put to bed, please can you? Now him give your wife belle. Now when did they do the thing? He follow for that environment. He dey the field when the thing dey happen. When they call am for phone. My people, Jamie don land am, he don talk. So people wey wan marry, make una understand oh. If money no dey, no marry. No go pull yourself and your wife for suffer. Pikin go come dey like saying get kwashiorkor. Pikin go come dey like saying no dey see food chop for 50 years. Pikin go dey like say even water una no get. Marriage no be suffer oh. Marriage na place where you go enjoy. Get family, get joy. Say yes, I come out from my parents' house and here why they even dey better pass my parents' house. You know, go marriage, go suffer. Now me, I can't even marry somebody that is not financially stable because I never dey crazy. Instead, let me be a single lady. Yes, all the single lady, I feed myself. I go still dey healthy. They move around. Maybe the one where I go carry family body, put for my head. Even my husband, they jobless, unemployed. I go school for fancy. Himself go school for fancy. Certificate in home na water. I beg make una try. If you never ready for marriage, I beg no do. And if you know say your money not too big, no go waste time do big wedding finish. Hunger after wedding. You don't hear that kind of thing. Enjoyment after enjoyment na hunger. It just be like say you get 100,000 naira. The next thing you don't go club, blow am. After that one, waiting. If you chop tomorrow, you say tomorrow can take care of itself. That thing no dey work. That thing no dey work. Tomorrow we take care of. Which tomorrow will take care of itself? Even God himself no say that thing no dey work. I don't know where una see, whether na for Bible or na person just quote and give una. Say tomorrow we take care of itself. Make una learn o. Marriage no enter if you no get money. No enter if you no get money. My people, wetin be una take on this matter? Una feel say love dey enough for this for marriage to work? Una feel say love na the ultimate and even if money no dey, una dey okay? Or una feel say money, when money enter, love is sweeter? Una no dey hear that thing? When money enter, love is sweeter. Una don't know why they put that money inside. Now via experience, so now people wey don experience and na be the reason why they put that thing inside. So my people, no marriage without money, no love work without money. Even if person manage stay 1 year with love, omo lifetime you no go fit stay without money. So my brother, all those lazy ones wey no like work, hustle before you go think of marriage. Marriage no be child's play. Marriage no be place where you go come play like say you dey play PS2 or PS4. When you score goal, marriage don close. If you score that goal finish, you go take care of the goal. That goal na pikin. And pikin get sessions, daycare, kindergarten, una dey hear, school fees dey. I never even talk of clothes pikin go wear or pampers when still dey baby state. Una don see finish. Abeg my people, make una drop una own take on this matter. Every comment will be replied to. On this channel, we no dey ignore people. Abeg make una drop una comment for this comment section. Please do well to like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.